Hey, this is my review for The Seven Pillars of Health by Dr. Don Colbert. I've read this book years ago and it's still very relevant. Of course, it's going to give you different pillars of health, which I'll mention now in a moment. This is the back of the book. Cover's very nice. I like the color of it. Don Colbert's his books are great. He goes into a lot of detail, and it's nice because he breaks up the book into different sections, and they have little blurbs here. um, he does go into a lot of detail sometimes, so it can be a little bit boring sometimes because he goes into detail that it's just not very interesting. Like it takes him a little bit to get to the point. But overall, each one is super helpful. So you have here the first pillar is water, sleep and rest, living food, exercise. So all these are things that we all know, but it's just nice that he breaks it down and he explains each one practically. Detoxification, um, nutritional supplements, and coping with stress, which I thought was really, really helpful. The coping with stress and just all of them are great. So especially the detoxification, maybe you do some of these things already, and then you read one of the chapters, you're like, oh, I can implement that in my life. So maybe there's some things here that you're doing already. You're like, I already drink a lot of water, for example. Maybe you do something else. So, but there's another section that you go, oh, well, I can add that in. So it's just little tweaks, kind of like little hacks for your life that can help you. Yeah, so definitely check it out. The book is a little, it's a little big, but if you want to read the entire book, maybe just flip to the sections that are helpful to you. And yeah, and hope this review was helpful and hope you check out the book.